Hey guys, welcome to Math Tech. Today we'll be learning how to buy Google Play gift codes from PayPal, and now let's dive right in. Now to buy Google Play gift codes from PayPal, first open up your preferred browser on your computer, as I've already opened the Google Chrome over here. And after opening your preferred browser guys, on this interface you can see there will be a search bar available for us. Click on the search bar and type in the address paypal.com/gifts like this. Make sure to enter the gifts after the backslash and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the gifts page of PayPal over here. Now let's click on the cards button over here. We are currently on the home interface of the PayPal gifts, but let's click on card. And over here, if you scroll down, currently the Google Play gift code is available for us over here where my mouse is hovering. If it's not, you can just search for it from over here. Click on the Google Play, or you can search for it, whichever the way you land over here, and you'll be required to read some details and their terms and conditions of use. And with that being done guys, you can see you'll be required to choose the net amount of the Google Play gift code. So after doing that guys, after choosing your amount of the gift code, you can see either you can gift it to someone from PayPal from over here, or you can just buy it for yourself. In order to buy it for ourselves guys, let's click on this is for me and click on add to cart. And when this blue panel appears where it says item has been added to your cart, the item will be added to the cart. At the top right corner you can see there's a cart button available for us. Let's click on it, and we can see there is the Google Play gift code which we had just added. Now let's remove the Starbucks gift card over here, and this is the card over here, and you can see a net amount of payment which you'll be required to make. And with that being done guys, click on the buy now button and log into your account from over here, and after that make the payment from your PayPal account. And with that being done guys, you will have bought a Google Play gift card which will be available on your email or on your PayPal. And with that being said guys, this is how to buy Google Play gift code from PayPal. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.